am recording it now. So this is what your typical layer will be. Okay. Let me see what it is recorded. So this is your physical storage, whether you put it NVMe disk, SSD disk, HDD disk, all that, even if it is a cloud object also. Okay. So we'll see what are all the other options also. We'll see in other class. Okay. Next class we'll see what is this. Okay. Now, so you have attached your physical storage, your laptop or whatever you have been doing it. Okay. After that, what you will do? You will give that access, or you will what do you say? Like you mount it, or you mirror it, or you do a RAID configuration. Okay. So RAID is what is RAID, Joy?
RAID is for the redundancy we have used in store.
Yeah. Redundant array disk. Okay. Redundant array independent disk. So then you have all these hashing, all that. This area, this layer will protect you from errors. Okay. This area will give you protection. Okay. Then you have control layer. Okay. This is where you will be controlling the data. Okay. So how it should be replicated, or how data should be encrypted. So like nobody should see that data. How you will be tearing the data. Okay. And how you are creating a snapshots. Okay. All that you will be controlling at this level. Okay. So this will be your protection layer. Mostly you will be protecting the data. So you are replicating to some other location, or you are creating a snapshot. Okay. And quality of service also, like you are controlling the data flow. Now you have access layer. Okay. So this is where protocols will come. How you want to access this? Okay. Is it through iSCSI, or is it through fiber channel, or NVMe over fiber channel? Okay. Or this is block level and this is file level. Okay. File level is like it will be your normal protocol, like Windows. It will be work on the Ethernet. Okay. This one you need to have a FC. This one will be fiber. This one will be copper. Okay. Copper means Ethernet, means normal IP address will work. So this one for block level you need to have a separate protocol or separate infrastructure. Okay. These are the two levels in the company. If you want to have an object, sorry, object means it is cloud. I have just given one example as S3. You can have others also. Blob, Azure Blob storage, all that. So object means you will be just throwing the file in cloud. Even your Google Photos also like that. It will be stored in cloud. Okay. So all that information. So this is how you are going to access that. Now once you let's say you have attached it through file, let's say your virtual box, you attached the disk. Okay. Now who is consuming? Who is the consumer here? Consumption. Okay. Consumption is you have uh, created it for VMs. Okay. Or you want to present this data to bare metal server. Okay. This is where your consumption means the final access, and you will store that data. Okay. So this is how it will be presented. This is the overall architecture. Okay. Now you see it here. Okay. I don't want to go in this one. Okay. Because it will be very high level and you get confused. Okay. So let me go with VMFS and NFS. Okay. So this we have not yet covered completely. Okay. So I am not going here. I will explain it in the class here. In the offline I will explain. Then only you will be able to understand these concepts. What is all these concepts? Okay. If I tell you now, it will be very um, time consuming. Okay. So this needs to be physically present, and I will explain you this one. Okay. What and all these options are. Okay. We will go to VMFS and NFS. Okay. So what is NFS, NTFS or VMFS data stores? So I have copied 3 file system here. Okay. So each you will have its own capability. Okay. I will put it new here. Okay. So what is the difference between these 3? Okay. I will copy this. This one is
NTFS technology we are using in Windows share it from
okay.
VMFS for VMware file system.
Okay.
And that VMFS that's one I don't know.
Okay. I will explain you that one. Okay, what this is. Okay. So this is getting blur here. Okay. Let me copy this. Okay. I will copy in Paint whether this will come. Now it is coming here. I cannot put. Okay. Let me. This one is fine. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have a NTFS here. Okay. NTFS is mainly on the user centric. Okay. They designed it for user. Mainly it will be for user. Okay. The owner of file decides who gets in. Okay. This guy will decide who will access it. All that permission. Okay. Discretionary access. Okay. And he will have access control list. So very granular here, okay. So it will be completely detailed permission, okay, advanced control, okay. So and you will be using the encryption of the file system, okay. You will use EFS for specific files or folders. So you want to uh, encrypt some files where only specific users can access, okay. So that is the specialty of uh, NTFS, and you can encrypt the entire volume, okay. In case you got lost or your data is stolen, your entire disk is locked, okay. Now I will go to BTRFS, okay. This is the Linux file system. By default, this is the Linux file system, okay.
The NVM we are using.
So you can use LVM also.
Okay, what's the difference between this BTRFS?
What is the difference?
Between BTRFS and SVM.
See, LVM is a partitioning, okay.
Okay.
That is partitioning logic.
Yeah.
BTFRS is a completely file system, okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let me go with that, okay. So here it is mostly focused on data integrity, means your data should not get lost, okay, and flexibility, okay. This will use Unix like file structure, owners, groups, others, those kind of permissions, okay. But it will support the access control list, okay. Chandana, I have not covered the permission list, right? Chown and chmod, huh? No, chmod I have covered, right? 7.7 executable, read only, access. Anyways, I will cover that, okay. No issues, okay. And like you have uh, relies on this one, it will detect on data checksum and data corruption, detects the corruption, integrity layer. Here it will be checking the access check, okay.
Actually, the NTFS is used for access permissions in Windows like BTRFS.
So BTFRS, it will be more on the integrity part, okay. Like it will be like copy on write file system, okay. Its primary role is file storage with advanced features, okay, like snapshot, checksums, compression. This is file system layer.
So, in normal Linux, we can take snapshot.
Yeah, you can take the snapshot. With this file system, you can take BTRFS. Okay. So this is the latest one that most of the partitions it will be used. Earlier we used to use extended 4, extended 3 like that. Okay. Now it is 4. Now we will be using BTRFS. Okay. 1 minute, guys.